In lesson 7.3, we are going to be adding linear expressions. So, again, if there is any distribution on the outside of the parentheses, we must distribute that first, but we need to combine like terms. So linear expression is an algebraic expression in which the variable is raised to the first power. Now, I look at the first one. There's nothing on the outside of the parentheses in any spot, so I'm good to go. So basically then I can drop the parentheses and rewrite this, not like that, and rewrite this as 3x plus 4 plus 2x plus 1. And then now I can combine like terms. So I have 3x positive 2x, which gives me 5x. And then I have positive 4 plus 1, and that gives me plus 5. So we're simplified there. Move over to B here. Again, nothing on the outside to distribute, so I'm good there. So I could rewrite this as negative 4x plus 2 plus a negative 2x, and I put that in parentheses because I don't like the double signs there, plus 2. So it's the only reason I have those parentheses there is because of the double sign. So then I go through and I say, all right, well, I have negative 4x and negative 2x. So negative 4x plus a negative 2x or minus 2x, whatever you want to think about that. And I get negative 6x. Then I have positive 2, which will give me a positive 4. So that is my answer for that one. Again, in 2a, there's nothing to distribute. So again, I can rewrite this as negative 2x plus 4 plus 8x minus 4. And then combine my like terms. So I have negative 2x, I have positive 8x. Negative 2x plus 8x is 6x. And then I have my constants, which is positive 4 and negative 4, which would be just 0. And you don't need to write anything, so it's 6x plus 0. Or, sorry, it is just 6x. And then the last one, you have, again, nothing on the outsides to distribute. So negative 4x minus 1 plus 5x minus 3. Combine your like terms. So I have negative 4x, I have positive 5x. Negative 4x plus 5x is 1x, so I simply write x. You may put a 1 in front of that if you want. Know that it will not be written most times. In the next one, I have negative 1 minus 3, or negative 3. Negative 1 minus 3 is negative 4. I really would like that in orange here. So minus 4. And that's how you add linear expressions. The next one, a rectangle has side lengths of 5x minus 1 and 2x plus 1. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to label 5x minus 1, 2x minus 1. Well then this length 5x minus 1 and this length 2x minus 1. So I've labeled my lengths around the rectangle. Write and simplify a linear expression for the perimeter of the rectangle. So we notice that we have two of the same sides. So I have 5x plus 1 or minus 1, 5x minus 1. I have two of them. So I could write that as 2 times 5x minus 1 because I have two of them. It says write and simplify a linear expression for the perimeter. Perimeter says add everything together. Add the sides. So I'm going to have a plus sign here. And then I have 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1. I have two sides that are like that. So I can do that as 2 times 2x minus 1. So let's write and simplify a linear expression for the perimeter of the rectangle. So there, I'm not done, because this is not simplified, because it still has, I have to distribute, I have to combine like terms. Okay, so the first thing I do is I distribute. So we're going to distribute, and we're going to take 2 times 5x and get 10x. and then we're going to take the 2 times the -1, and we're going to get -2, plus, then we're going to take 2 times 2x, and we're going to get 4x, and then we are going to take the 2 times the -1, I'm going to get -2. And then one more step, I got to combine like terms. So I have 10x and 4x, which will give me 14x. And then I have -2 and -2. So -2 minus 2 would give me -4. And there I've simplified my expression. Now, we're going to take that expression because it says find the perimeter if the value of x was 5.4. So if the value of x is 5.4, what we're going to do then is we have 14x minus 4. X is 5.4. So 14 times 5.4 minus 4. And then you multiply your 15 by the 14 by the 5.4 is 75.6 minus 4, and 75.6 minus 4 would be 71.6 units. We don't know, so we just say units. Okay? So, find the perimeter. Perimeter equals. Perimeter equals. Perimeter equals. Perimeter equals 71.6 units.